How to download apps on LG TV. So if you want to download apps on LG TV, it's normally quite simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, from the bottom of the toolbar, you'll find many options here, but you want to simply go to this option called apps, as you'll be able to find in this 4 squared icon. Once you select the option called apps, over here you will see this type of interface here. Now, by the way, to download apps on LG TV, you need to make sure that you are logged into your LG account, and once you've done that, you'll find between the various number of applications that are available, and we can simply select a certain application that you want to download, or you can also search for it using the search icon from the top right. Then just hit the install button that you will be able to find here, and once you've done so, you will be able to go ahead and then install apps on your LG Smart TV. But as I said, you need to be signed in to your LG account. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in our next video.